the Bowline knot, the lifesaver of knots. It creates a secure loop that won't slip, making it great for climbing, rescue work, or anything that requires a fixed loop. To tie it, make a loop past the end up through it, around the main line, and back down through the loop. Pull it tight, and you've got a strong, stable loop. Ever try to tie something to a pole or secure gear with a quick-release loop? The Buntline Hitch with a sliding loop might be exactly what you're looking for. This knot is super reliable for attaching gear to a fixed point. And what's cool about it is that it's adjustable. This means it can slide up and down a rope to create a custom-fit loop size, perfect for situations where you need some flexibility. The Buntline Hitch with a sliding loop is compact, strong, and adaptable. It's widely used in boating, camping, and everyday tasks where you need to attach things securely, but also want an option to adjust them. It doesn't jam too easily, so you can untie it without too much hassle, even after it's been under a lot of tension. Plus, its sliding loop means you can quickly change the loop size without having to retie the knot. Now let's look at the Clove Hitch, the go-to knot for quick, easy fastening. This one's perfect when you need to attach your rope to a tree, post, or any sturdy anchor, especially if you want to adjust it later on. To tie the Clove Hitch, wrap the rope around your anchor once, then cross over and make a second loop. Slide that loop over the anchor, and you're all set. Just remember, this knot isn't ideal for heavy loads, as it might slip under too much tension. Next up is the sheet bend, a solid choice for joining two ropes, especially if they're different thicknesses or types. It's a favorite among sailors and campers for connecting lines quickly and securely. To tie it, make a loop with the thicker rope, then bring the thinner rope up through the loop around the back and tuck it under itself. It holds strong under tension, but it's also easy to untie when you're done. While it's perfect for joining ropes in a pinch, just remember it's not the best for extremely heavy loads. Finally, we have a square knot, also known as the reef knot. This one is a classic for binding objects together, like bundling up gear or securing packages. To tie it, you simply go right over left, then left over right, quick and straightforward. The result is a symmetrical knot that's strong for balanced loads. But a word of caution, this knot can slip if the load is uneven, so it's best used for holding things together when both sides are pulling equally. Simple but reliable for everyday tasks. And there you have it, 5 must-know knots that can help you out in countless situations. Whether you're out in the wild or just around the house, these knots make life easier. Try them out, practice a few times, and they'll be second nature in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy knot tying.